Hello everyone. Kids, today we are going to start a new topic, that is light, sound and force. Kids, can you see in a dark room? No. You need light to see. From where do you get light? You get light from the sun, candles, lamps, torches, bulbs, etc. We can divide all objects into two groups, luminous and non-luminous. First one is luminous objects. Objects that give us light are called luminous objects. Bulb, candle, torch, etc. are luminous objects. Second one is non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give us light are called non-luminous objects. Pencil, book, table, chair, etc. are non-luminous objects. We see non-luminous objects when light falls on them. The sun is the main source of heat and light on earth. It is a natural luminous object. Next, shadow. You can see your dark image on the ground when you stand under the sun. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. The size of the shadow changes from time to time during the day due to change in the direction of the sun. In the morning, the shadow is long. In the noon, the shadow is short. In the evening, the shadow is long. Now, sound. In our daily life, we hear different types of sounds. The ringing of phone, the honking of horns, the chirping of birds, etc. are different types of sounds. Some sounds are soft while some are loud. Some are pleasant and some are unpleasant. We like soft and pleasant sound. We do not like loud and unpleasant sound. Next, noise. Sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Too much of noise is bad for our health. It harms our ears and may make us deaf. We can reduce noise by speaking softly, always playing TV and music system in low volume. Next, force. In our daily life, we see many objects around us like books, desks and chairs. They do not move on their own. We need to push or pull them to move. A push or pull applied on a body is called force. Effect of force. Force can move a resting object. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can stop a moving object. When we move something by applying force, we do work. Kids, hope you enjoyed the topic light, sound and force. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Kiddos Edu Point. Thank you.